Hi, everybody. It's Lydia with Perspective Marketing, and I'm doing my first instructional video. I just wanted to let you know about some of the software that I'm using to make my life easier as a digital marketer. So you may know this, you may not. Hopefully, you'll pick up some sort of a tidbit. But I want to do as much outreach as possible for clients. Adding to my email list. So I love. Where's my mouse? I'm working with multiple screens here, but I love Sniply. So go to snip, snip.ly, and go to Sniply, and over here you can go ahead and, where is it? You can go ahead and log in, create yourself an account. So here I am in my account. And what I love about Sniply is that I can go ahead and look for an article. I'll look for an article. So I use Sniply and I use BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo, BuzzSumo. Go there and create an account. So I already have an account with BuzzSumo. And so I look for articles that have to do with my niche and what I'm into. So I like information about women entrepreneurs. So let me go there. Women entrepreneurs. I'm going to search for an article. And what I do is I want to see what kind of Facebook engagement and how many LinkedIn shares, Twitter shares, etc. That the articles are getting. So, all right, how about I go after... I would love to use this one, but I already did. So, all right, let's go to how women entrepreneurs can think bigger. Let's see what kind of an article this is. Oh, well, first they want us to sign up. I hate that crap, even though we use it as digital marketers. Let me go back. Forget the pop-up windows. So I'm just going to use one that I used before. I'll go to VCs ask men about the future and women about failure, and it's a new study. So I click on this, right? I look over my article. It seems super interesting, okay? So what I do is I'm going to go back to my Sniply. I want to go ahead and create a call to action. So I click on my call to action. I'm going to create a new call to action over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and the call to action, if you can see this here at the very bottom, this is what you want to create, and that lays over any article that you link to it. So if somebody's reading your article, let's just say you post it on your Facebook or wherever, and they click on the link for the article, they'll automatically see this. So you want to go ahead and capture leads. It's another way to capture leads. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click on Perspective Marketing. I'm going to go ahead and deal with my button. Okay. So as you see, it says enter message here, enter message here. So I'm going to go ahead and put down we build custom, I already did it here. We build custom sales funnels for women entrepreneurs. Let's use that again. So if you see down here, it corresponds. I could change this to click now, right? And it'll say click now, but I like the click here. So let's do click here. And then you see that there's a link here. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my, I can either go to one of my funnel opt-in pages. I want to have my agency page. So I'll go ahead and type in my agency page, which is Perspective Marketing. I'm going to go ahead and capture that link. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Sniply, and I'm going to go ahead and put the link in here. Okay. So what that means is once somebody sees this overlaying on the article, we build custom sales funnels for women entrepreneurs. When they click on click here, it's automatically going to go to my business page here, my funnel. All right, so I will show you. So we filled in our message, what the button's going to say, and where the button's going to link to. You go ahead and click next. Now there are different themes, so if you take a look at my picture, if I change it from social and I put it to candy, there's some, a border around it. I don't like that. I can use full width. I don't like the full width over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and stick with social. I can change my button color, and I can change whether or not it sits, justifies left or right or center. But you'll notice there's a little lock here, so you've got to go ahead and get their premium service. I don't want to go and do that. So I'm fine with the way that it looks. I'm going to finish. It says my CTA. So I finish that. I'm going to go to the call to action. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to create the link here of the article that I want to use. So I know that I already want to go to, we'll use this article, right? Ask VC, VCs ask men about the future. So I'm going to go ahead and I will copy this URL. I'm going to go back to Sniply. I'm going to put the article URL in there, and I'm going to create a snip. Okay, so it's kind of like a bit.ly, right? So it has the snip there. And so it's linking to the article. It has my CTA, my call to action. It has my message. It has what the button looks like. And then it's linking back to my website, okay, my funnel. So go ahead and click on snip. And then it's going to give you a code, just like if you would do a URL shortener, the bit.ly. So go ahead and copy on this. So before I copy this, well, I'll go ahead and copy it. But do you see here in the back, you have my article that I'm interested in the back, but my Sniply lays over that article, okay? So the next step would be to go into my, my Facebook, and then all I'd have to do is I can go ahead and put that little snippet down, okay, my Sniply, and I'm going to go ahead and delete that link. And then I'll say, whatever it is I want to write. Women, blah, blah. That's not nice of me, but blah, blah, blah. All right, since I've already created this in my Facebook page, nope, we're going to exit. So here is the article, okay? So I wrote some text up here. I said it was a good article. And then when one of my tribe members clicks on here, they're going to be taken to the article. But what you will see is now when they click on the link, the article has my Sniply right here. Is that fantastic? So no matter what article I link to, that's going to be in front of it. Now, of course, they can click out of it, but we build custom sales funnels for women entrepreneurs. As I'm reading the article, what the heck is that? So I'm going to click on there, and boom, takes me right to my funnel. It takes me to my agency page. I can switch out which funnel I want with that, but there are the two new things that I love to use. So Sniply, and once you go to Sniply, make sure you go to BuzzSumo, okay? Sniply, get an account. There, Sniply, BuzzSumo. Fantastic, right? I hope you enjoyed that. So there you have it. If you think this is worth sharing to somebody in your circle, please definitely share, like it. I'd love to have more women here on the Facebook page learning from one another. Thanks. Enjoy the day.